What's really missing in immigration reform is a way to fund what's necessary if our employees, the workers, and their employers paid just a nickel for every dollar that they earned. Over a 10-year period, we could create $210 billion and create 1.7 million American jobs.
Broken immigration, I mean, it's already been said, so I'll reiterate the points. It's broken. It hasn't been fixed in decades, and we think that this is the only way that we can move forward. What we see right now is that there's various conversations happening, and it's not as a whole. So there's different parts of the immigration system that are being attacked, which can be confusing because everything's so complex.
There are clear economic advantages to adding to the population. Each person may be viewed as a hungry mouth demanding to be fed, but each person also has two hands and a brain who wish to produce what they need with a surplus to help others. The United States has about 4.3% of the world population. All the growth in our population in recent years has been due to immigration, and that will remain true going forward.
We're talking about some process by which persons who lack permanent lawful status or any lawful status can move into some kind of lawful permanent resident. There are millions and millions of Americans who are living in mixed status families. So these individuals are already socially integrated into our communities and families, and it only makes sense from a humanitarian standpoint that we move towards some kind of regularization.
Mark Jason, the Executive Director of the Immigrant Tax Inquiry Group, taught me a lot about immigration, and it is really an issue of our time. It's an issue that's got to be fixed because the U.S. taxpayer is paying for overburdened school systems and health care, all of our essential services, including fire, police, and our court systems. It's unfair to the taxpayer as well as the immigrants themselves and the people who gratefully employ them.
Folks do want our system of immigration to be orderly and for people to come through legal channels. The vast majority of Americans support an immigration reform that creates a way for people who are currently in the country unauthorized to come forward, get right with the law, get with the books, and eventually earn their way to legality and to citizenship.